So today I will let you know how to test your starter motor. So what the things you required are, you can see I have two batteries of 12 volts and two cables to connect starter motor with the battery, and I have two starter motors. One is defective and another one is a good one. So in the nameplate you can see the supply 24 volts is mentioned. In this motor you also can see 24 volt supply is mentioned. So it's 24 volts DC supply. So what you require is you have to get one wire which is used to connect one battery to another battery, and after that you will get 24 volts, because I need 24 volt supply, DC supply, to run my starter motor. So I have connected one positive to one negative of two batteries, and now I have two cables which I will connect in positive, and the other one I will connect on the negative terminal of another battery. This is my defective one starter motor, and this one is good one. So by using multimeter I am going to check whether I am getting 24 volt supply or not. So I am going to select mode DC supply, and now select range. Now I am connecting one probe to positive supply of one battery and another probe to negative supply of another battery. So what I am getting is 23.7 volts DC. So it's okay. So first I am going to check defective one starter motor. So I will connect one cable from battery positive terminal to solenoid switch positive terminal, and another cable I will connect from battery negative terminal to motor earth. This terminal you can see which is used for ignition when you switch on the ignition, so it requires positive supply. So I have connected one wire and I will give positive supply to it. This terminal you can see the wire is connected with the motor. After to switch ignition on, solenoid switch engage the gear to flywheel, and then the motor will start to turn. So now you can see I am connecting positive one cable from battery positive to solenoid switch positive terminal. The another cable I am going to connect battery negative terminal to motor neutral point. Now I will give supply via this wire to solenoid switch. So you can see the motor is engaging but not turning, so it's mean the motor is faulty. So now I'm going to test the good one starting motor. So I have connected one cable from its motor neutral with the battery negative terminal, and solenoid switch positive with the battery positive terminal. The same procedure I will follow. This motor a little bit design it different from the previous one, but the procedure to test is same. So the same wire I have connected, this wire, black wire I have connected, and I will give positive supply to it. So this is, I already told you about, this is for ignition key. So when I will give it's a positive supply to it, the motor will start to turn. First solenoid will engage the gear to flywheel, and after that motor will start to turn. You can see